To make a business card on Placeit.net, you simply go to the top left-hand side, under the signs, and then we slide down to the business cards category and click on that. Here, we're going to see all the templates that are available. Write down the name of your business or your own name in this bar, and then select the industry. We have tons of them. Immediately, see how all the templates has now your brand's name on it. Click on your favorite to edit it further. Find the different text options on the left-hand side. Use each text box to type in your name, the name of your brand, the address, phone number, email, a slogan, or maybe a short legend. Click the little check mark next to each text box to get rid of that line. Click the Add More Text button to add more info to your card. Below, change the font style for each text line. You can use the same type font for all the card, or be playful and combine 2 or 3 fonts. Also change the color by clicking this square here. Click on More to select different shades of colors or to easily enter your hex code. On the right side, you can get creative and change all the colors in your card, such as the banner color, the circle color, frame color, graphic, and the background. Talking about graphics, you can try different illustrations for your logo by simply clicking them, or click the No Image button to keep it simple. Use this search bar to find even more specific results and change your illustrations. Do the same for the background part. And one last tip, you see this legend here. This means that you can step into the logo and roll over on anything to move it or scale it. Click the Reset Layout to go back to how it was. Once you're ready, click on the blue download button to get it. And that's it! You can find more cool features like saving this template to your favorites, save the process and come back later to finish your design, or scroll down to find more presets with your brand's name on it already.